Good morning. Let us start our session with numbers. Okay. Now see, let us understand what are real numbers, what are natural numbers, what is a whole number, what is integer. Next, what is a fraction, what is a rational number, what is an irrational number. Got it? So let us understand this part now. Now see, generally we will understand real number we know that what is a real number, what is a natural number, but let us understand this from a number line terminology. Okay, this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 dot till here. I can term it as infinity, and here I can term it as -1, -2, -3, -4, -5. Here I can term it as minus infinity. Here, now what is a real number? Any number that you can mark on the number line is called as a real number. That might be 1/3, 1/4, 2/4, 2/7, 1.333, 1.444, 1.555, 2.579, 3.799. Any number that you can mark on number line. Any number that you can mark on number line is called as a real number. Now let us understand what is a natural number. Natural number is nothing but positive integer समझ सकते हैं. हाँ, perfect. Positive integer समझ लो. Clear? Then what about whole number? 0, positive integers. Got it? Clear? Now what is integers? Minus infinity to infinity. Clear? Now what is a fraction? P by Q form. So similarly, like rational number समझ सकते हैं, fraction and a rational number, anything is in the P by Q form. Not only P by Q form, हाँ, mixed fraction कर सकते हैं, 1/3, 2/3. ये भी क्या है, fractions ही होते हैं. So rational number is nothing but P by Q form. Now 1.33333 is there. Is it a rational number or an irrational number? Rational number. Perfect. What is an irrational number? Non-terminating or repeating decimal. Here, then it is a irrational number. Okay, non-recurring, non-terminating, 1.314237123 dot like that. Clear? This we can't convert into P by Q form. Those are what? Irrational numbers. Perfect. Any doubts? Now let us start our first part. Now convert 0.31 bar into a fraction. Huh? 0.31 bar into a fraction. You can do. See, I'll tell you. Now 0.31 bar how to convert into a fraction, that is a P by Q form. So we know that this is what repeating. So 31313131 dot लिख सकते. Clear? And how many parts? 2 parts are there. So is first equation you can multiply with what? 100. So that you'll get what? So you will be getting what? 31.31, 31, 31 dot. This is your second equation. Now we can do what? 2 minus 1, which is x is equal to 0.313131 dot. तो ये माइनस कर दिए तो क्या हो जाता? हाँ, ये कैंसिल. So 99 x is equal to 31. So x is equal to nothing but what? 31 by 99. Here, this I know, sir. What is there in this? See, you know this, but I am telling you is 0.77777 bar. Now this is a singular bar, so this can be written as 7 by 9. Here it is 7.5 757575 समझ लो. This can be written as 75 by 99. Now if it is suppose 754754 like this, 754 by 999. Any doubts in this? Write down. Got it, ma? Any doubts? Then we need to do 4 रहे तो अभी 9999 ही आता 7155 like that. I'll tell you. Okay, now if x and y are irrational numbers, then x plus y minus xy is always imaginary number. Irrational number. Rational number. D can't say. So it can be sometimes rational and sometimes it can be irrational. So if you take root 2 plus root 3 समझ लो ये कितना आ जाता root 2 into root 3. Clear? So root 2 is a irrational number. Root 3 is an irrational number. This is root 6. Still this is an irrational. Okay, irrational plus addition of irrational will be irrational number only. Again you subtract an irrational number, still it can be what? Irrational number. Now, but if you take root 3 and one more item as minus root 3. Okay, now x is root 3 and y is minus root 3. So in this if you substitute now root 3 into minus root 3, it will become plus. This cancel root 3 into root 3, 3. That's it. So you can't determine this. Second one, 16 power 1.3333 dot dot. Is it rational or irrational? Irrational. Perfect now. Very good. अब देखो मैं बताता हूँ. It is a rational number. Now let us assume x is equal to 1.3333. So this can be written as what? 13 by 9. Very good answer. अब देखो x is equal to 1.3333, right? So this can be written as 1 plus 0.333333, right? So this is nothing but what? X is equal to 0.333333 and 10x is equal to 3.33333333. So when you subtract, no, this you will be getting what? 9x is equal to 3, x is equal to 3 by 9, which is 1 by 3. So this is nothing but 1 plus 1 by 3, which is 4 by 3. Got it? Understood? So 16 power 4 by 3. Now this can be written as what? So wait, let us take this as not 16. A question में ये लिखा 8 नको 64. So this 64 can be written as 2 power 6 into 4 by 3. 3 1 3 2. So 2 power 8 is the answer. 2 power 8 is what? A rational number. Got it? Did not understand. Perfect. Done. Now which of the following is greater? Huh? Root 5 कर सकते, cube root 9 how you will do in calculator? Do? Scientific calculator is not allowed now. System calculator is allowed. System calculator में root तक ही रहता ना, cube root नहीं रहता ना. See, not about that. अब देखो, वो नहीं, ये देखो, root 5 is greater or cube root 9 is greater. Now in this case, no, you will do what? Huh? T square लिखते, cube root, that is, this is root 5. So you can't tell directly. So what you can do is under root 5, this is cube root 9, right? So this can be written as 5 power 1 by 2, and this can be written as 9 power 1 by 3, not 3 by 2, 3 power 3 by 3 power 2 by 3, 2 by 3 you can write. So now what you can do is simply isko bana do rational. 1 by 2 and 1 by 3 is there. I am multiplying power 6 on both sides. This will become what? Cube. This will become what? Square. 5 cube is what? 125. 9 square is what? 81. Now which one is greater? This one is greater. It is nothing but I have taken like 2 is less than 3 samajhka. 2 power 6 is also less than 3 only, no? 3 power 6. Like that I have applied. So root 5 and cube root 9 if you take now, which one is greater now? Root 5. That's it. Any doubts? Clear? Got it? P plus 2q plus r is always even. D option is P plus 2q plus r is always odd. Why? See, there are 3 consecutive numbers. Suppose I can take it as 1, 2, 3 and second time 2, 3, 4 samajhka. Now when I do 1 plus 2 plus 3, no, it will be what? 1 plus 2, 3, 3 plus 3, 6. So P plus q plus r is what? Even. But here when I do, no, I'll get what? 7. So P plus q plus r is what? Odd. ये तो नहीं हो सकता. Clear? Now I need to check. So 1 plus 2 into 2 is what? 4 plus 3. 7 plus 1 8 हो जाता. Clear? इसमें भी check करेंगे. 2 plus 6 plus 4, which is nothing but 10 12. 12 is also what? Even. So this is the answer. P plus 2Q plus R is even. Write down. Now Seema, X is a set of all real numbers of value R such that R square is less than R, which of the following range cover the value of R. Now this is a question. Understood my question? Now X is set of all X समझ लो R. X is a set of all real numbers of value R such that R square is less than R. Now which of the following range covers the value of X? A is minus 2 comma 0, B is 1 comma 3, and C is 1 comma 2, and D is equal to 0 comma 2. A minus 2 comma 0. Why like that? 4 and you did not understood the question. R square is less than R. Now Seema, this is minus infinity समझ लो, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3. Now R is a real number. Real number means what? Any number in between this समझ लो. Clear? Now let us assume 1 by 2 ले लेंगे इसमें. Clear? 1 by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 square. If I put no, it will be less than 1 by 4 only, right? So 1 by 4 is less than 1 by 2. It is satisfying. तो 0 के और 1 के बीच में जो भी नंबर्स रहते हैं ना वो इसको सेटिस्फाई करेंगे. क्लियर? एंड 1 एंड 2 के बीच में भी इफ यू टेक 3 by 4 समझ लो. सो 3 by 4 स्क्वायर इज व्हाट? 9 by 16. क्लियर? so 9 by 16 is less than 3 by 4. so 0 to 2 तो आ रहा, समझ लेंगे. let us assume that 1 comma 2 is also coming. 1 comma 3. see 0 to 1 is lying. now नेगेटिव नंबर्स को भी एक बार चेक कर लेंगे. नेगेटिव 1 by 2 लिया समझो. नेगेटिव 1 by 2 होल स्क्वायर इज व्हाट? 1 by 4. and this is negative 1 by 2. what it will be? like this. इट विल नॉट बी लाइक आर स्क्वायर इज, सो नेगेटिव नंबर्स आने का चांस ही नहीं है। तो ऑप्शन ए गया। नाउ आपका रेंज कहाँ से होना, 0 to 1 के बीच में होना। अब वेयर इज 0 to 1, डी, दैट्स इट, डी ऑप्शन, 0, 2, गॉट इट, did not understand, here, not done this. Three by 4 square is what, 9 by, हाँ सॉरी 0 to 1 के बीच में, 1 3/4, 1.5 है। 5/4 इज नॉट 2, नो, 2 and 3 के बीच में रहता वो, क्यों रहता, 5/4 इज व्हाट, 2.25, हाँ सॉरी 1.25, 5/4 होल स्क्वायर, उल्टा करना, 4/5 लेस देन दैट। हाँ, सो 0 to 1 किस रेंज में है, इसी रेंज में है ना, तो 1 and 2 के बीच में देर आर फ्यू नंबर्स विच विल बी लाइक दैट, दैट माइट बी, ओके, आई चेक इट। नेक्स्ट, नेक्स्ट देखो मैं, Seema. Now, what is the largest number in the sequence? Like 2 power 1 by 2, 3 power 1 by 3, 4 power 1 by 4, n power 1 by n is there. Now 2 power 1 by 2 is greater, or 3 power 1 by 3 is greater, or 5 power 1 by 5, or 6 power 1 by 6 is the question. How to check? What 2 power 1 by 2? Why like that? 2 power 1 by 2 and 3 power 1 by 3 है सम multiply what 6 ले ले ये क्या हो जाता 3 2 जा 2 1 जा 2 3 जा this is what 2 cube and this is what 3 square 8 and this is what 9 now. Which one is greater now? देखेंगे 3 power 1 by 3 and 4 power 1 by 4 क्या कर सकते 12 12 कर लेंगे 4 4 cube 3 power 4 is 81 4 cube is 64 which one is greater now? 3 power 1 by 3 so अब नेक्स्ट क्या है 3 power 1 by 3 एंड 4 नहीं करना ना 5 power 1 by 5 सॉरी ये आई विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ 15 आई विल मल्टीप्लाई विथ 15 ये 3 हो जाएगा ये 5 हो जाएगा 3 power 5 इज व्हाट 243 5 cube is what 125 so this is only greater नेक्स्ट है 3 power 1 by 3 एंड 6 power 1 by 6 डाल देंगे ये 6 हो जाता ये भी 6 3 1 2 6 cancel 3 square is 9 greater than 6 now you tell me which one is greater 3 power 1 by 3 no easily दे दे yes options check करना everything need not be checked here 2 power 1 by 2 is there 3 power 1 by 3 is there 3 power 1 by 3 5 power 1 by 5 या 4 check करने का ज़रूरत नहीं है here that is not there in the option now here so logic लगाना पड़ता है it looks like easy are in the sequence but options are these only now why are you worrying yes done got it now now let us understand two topics one is perfect square now what do you mean by perfect square अब देखो 2 square is it a perfect square 4 is it a perfect square right clear why 4 is a perfect square it can be written in the form of what 2 square now 16 is it a perfect square can be written in what form 4 square first thing but not only 4 square it can be written as 2 power 4 also now if you see a number to be a perfect square no it should be in the form of what लाइक 2 स्क्वायर 2 पावर 4 जनरल एग्जाम्पल क्लियर. सो पावर में आप ऑब्जर्व करें तो इट विल बी व्हाट 2 4 8 16 लाइक दैट क्लियर. सो इट शुड बी मल्टीपल्स ऑफ व्हाट ऑफ 2 के मल्टीपल्स में रहना है ना. 6 इज नॉट देयर नहीं 6 भी रहता. हाँ सी 2 पावर 6 is it a perfect square? 2 power 6 is nothing but what 4 into 4 into 4 which is 64. 64 is it not a perfect square? So anything power में अगर multiple of 2 है समझो then it is a perfect square. Clear? 8 power 6 is a perfect square. 8 power 8 is a perfect square. 8 power 16 is a perfect square. Any number you can put any number 9 power multiple में क्या रहना 2 power 2 multiples में रहा समझो power में then it is a perfect square. Okay, not an issue आता. Here you want me to check 2 power 12 check कर लो ना like that. 9 power 12 रहने दो 10 power 12 रहने दो 10 power 14 रहने दो. Here हाँ odd numbers भी होते पर हर एक odd number नहीं होता. odd number होने का चांस भी नहीं है. Here next क्यूब का देखेंगे. So anything should be in the form of cube that should be having what multiple of 3. नीचे कुछ भी नंबर रहने दो ऊपर क्या रहना चाहिए 3 के रहना चाहिए. Any doubts? Got it? Clear? Power should be having what multiple of 3. Now what is the question? If n is the smallest natural number such that n by 7 is a perfect square okay and n by 5 is a perfect cube. Find the sum of digits of n. By 8 I say 35 means what 35 is it a perfect square 7 से डिवाइड करे तो या 5 से डिवाइड करे तो. Now you should take any number that might be what एक नंबर लेना है आपको वो नंबर 7 से डिवाइड करे समझो it should be a perfect square and that number when you divide with 5 no it should be a perfect cube like that number you need to find. So let us assume n by 7 should be a perfect square means the condition is what the answer should be in the form of what 7 power 2k then it is a perfect square. Got it? So n is equal to nothing but what I can write 7 इधर भेज दिया तो 2k minus 1 or else 2k नहीं into होता 2k plus 1 n is equal to 7 power 2k plus 1. Now n by 5 is equal to what 5 power 3k. So n is equal to nothing but what 5 power 3k plus 1. Now not only that this n should be what both it should satisfy this also it should satisfy that also. तो वो satisfy करना पड़े तो कैसे रहना चाहिए and now 2k plus 1 we are telling. So 2k value will be what if you put k value as 1 it will be 2 plus 1 3. Next k value 2 no you will be getting what 2 power 6 plus 1 7 होता. नेक्स्ट 3 डाले तो कितना होता 4 डाले तो 8 plus 1 9 होता. 2 if you put 5 3 5 7 9 11 like that. Clear? 3k plus 1 में क्या हो जाएगा 4 2 when you put 3 6 7 so 10 dot like that. So 3k plus 1 value is this. Now they are asking find n is the smallest natural number. Smallest natural number means what? First power समझ लेंगे. Clear? Now let us assume I take a number as what? 7 cube into 5 power 4. Now this when I divide with 7. Clear? I should be getting what? Perfect square. 5 power 4 means वो square number ही हो जाता. 7 यहाँ काट दिया तो क्या? 7 square is also what? Perfect square only. Now 7 cube into 5 power 4 divided by what? 5 if I do know. 5 ये cancel. So 7 cube into what? 5 cube. So this is a perfect cube, not an issue. So the number will be what? 7 cube into 5 power 4. Answer is how much? 7 cube into 5 power 4. 7 cube हो जाएगा. Now 343 into 625 आ रहा समझा. Clear? 5 power 4. हाँ. So what you are telling? 217. And the question में क्या पूछा है यहाँ? Sum of digits of n. So 2 plus 1 plus 3, 3 plus 4, which is nothing but what ma? 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 3, 10, 10 plus 7, 17, 17 plus 5, 22 digits रहते हैं इसमें. The sum of digits, 22 digits नहीं, sum of digits is 22. But exam में ये multiplication करने का time रहता क्या ना आपको? No, right? So what you can do is 3 plus 4 plus 3 is how much? 7 plus 3. वो तो ठीक है, let it be. 2, 8 plus 5, 13, 13, 3, 4. हाँ ठीक है, fine, let it be. Sum of digits is how much? 22. ओके वो एक है. और एल्स व्हाट यू कैन डू इज एक मेथड बताता हूँ आपको. डिजिट्स सम, डिजिटल सम समझ. व्हाट डू यू मीन बाय डिजिटल सम इज 3 प्लस 4 प्लस 3 इंटू 6 प्लस 2 प्लस 5 करो. ये कितना होता? 7 प्लस 3 10 इंटू 6 प्लस 2 प्लस 5 इज व्हाट? 8 13. 10 इंटू 13 इज 130. इनको ऐड करो 4 आया. What is the answer that you got? 22. 22 2 plus 2 is also what? 4. Instead of multiplying you can add like this also. Perfect. 22 2 plus 2 is what? 4. Options देते हैं ना आपको. हाँ 22 रहता. 22 ही रह 3 1 भी रह सकता. But at the time what you will do? 5 3 is what? 15. Checking another method. बस 5 into 3 15 like that. Here this is digital. Done. What did not understand? No doubt. Over the head. complicated. Now see ma, n is a natural number less than 30,000 such that n by 3 is a perfect square and n by 2 is a perfect cube. Find the largest value of n. You can do directly, n is one thing in these four options, so n directly substitute कर दिए समझो. 26,748 divided by 3, वो perfect square आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा, perfect cube आ रहा है या नहीं आ रहा. Now if you do, calculator generally लेंगे हम, clear. So first I do what, 29,878, okay, divide by क्या करूँगा, 3 करूँगा, उसका first perfect square बनता है या नहीं बनता चेक करूँगा, 99.796. So there is no perfect square. Next 26,748 is there, that I will do what, divide by 3, उसका perfect square बन रहा है या नहीं बन रहा, नहीं बन रहा. 27,648 divided by 3, इसका perfect square बन रहा है या नहीं बन रहा, बन रहा. And 21,548 is there, divided by what, 3, and इसका कुछ perfect square है क्या, नहीं है. So option C directly you will get it, but without doing option verification how you will do? Why you don't know? Now see, let us assume first n by 3 is a perfect square means what? N by 3 is a perfect square, so it should be in the form of 3 power 2k, right? Clear. नीचे division में 3 है तो यहाँ 3 रख दो, and perfect square they are asking 2k, so n is equal to nothing but 3 power 2k plus 1. Clear? Got it? So 2k plus 1. Now k value you can take as what, 1 2 3 4 like that. So k value when you put 1, no, 2 into 1 plus 2, 2 into 1 plus 1 3. हाँ ठीक है, don't do that. First k value क्या होता, ये 2k plus 1 value will become what, 2k plus 1 is nothing but 3 comma 5 comma 7 comma 9 comma 11 dot dot dot, like this numbers are there. Clear? Perfect. Now n by 2 is a perfect cube, n by 2 is nothing but 2 power 3 के ले सकता हूँ मैं. Clear? So n is equal to nothing but what, 2 power 3k plus 1, ये 2 इधर गया तो 2 power 3k into 2, 2 power 3k plus 1. Now k value I can take it as 1 comma 2 comma 3 comma 4. Now 3k plus 1 is nothing but 3 into 1 plus 1 is 4, 3 into 2 is 6 plus 1 7, 3 into 3 9, 9 plus 1 10 dot dot dot. Now a number should be what, it should be divisible by 3 also, it should be divisible by 2 also. So I can take it as what, 6 and 612 नहीं है ना यहाँ. 3 5 7 9 11 are there, 4 7 10 is there. Clear? Now number is what? Less than 30,000. Okay, and this is nothing but 3 power 9. 3 power 9 का value मालूम है? 3 power 9 value is nothing but 81 into 81 into 3, which is 19,683, and here 4 7 10 is there. So let us assume like this. Now if I take 3 cube into 2 power 10 समझ. Clear? What is this? 3 cube is nothing but 27. 2 power 10 is nothing but 1024. 27 into 1024 is nothing but 27,648. Now see ma, what all combinations we can do is, see here. First this is 3. So I can multiply 3 cube into what? 2 power 4. Okay. And I can do what? 3 cube into 2 power 7. I can do 3 cube into 2 power 10. Now 3 cube into 2 power 7, if I do know, it will be what? 3 cube is 27 and 2 power 7 is what? Largest number पूछे वो लोग. 3 power 5 तो नहीं जा सकता. 3 power 5 is what? 240. 3 power 5 is 729, right? 81 into 3 into 3. 729 into 2 power 4 is 16. 3000 में ही आता आंसर. लार्जेस्ट जाना बोले तो क्या? 3 cube into 2 power 10 is the correct option. Clear? Instead of this, option verification is better. Perfect square, perfect cube check करो. Same cube root. Now a number. अभी ये देखो 27,648. Not checking as a square. Let us check it as a perfect cube. 27,648 divided by 2. You'll get what? 13,824. Now I should know whether it is a perfect cube or not. See, simple. 13,824. Prime factorization करना आता. 6912. Next 2. 3 4 5 6. Next 2. 1728. Next 2. 864. Next 2. 432. Next 2. 216. 216 you know. 6 into 36. आ गया ना. 2 6 times आ गया. 2 power 6 into 6 cube. Like that. Got it? Did not understand. Next to the question. Did you write? Now see the next one. Now write down the next one, ma. For how many values of A? For how many values of A cube plus 144 by A square is a prime number. If A is a natural number. This is the given, and your options are A0, B2, C3, DS4. ऐसा क्वेश्चन कैसे करना? now A cube plus 144 by A square, इसको क्या कर सकते हैं आप? हाँ, थोड़ा सिंप्लीफिकेशन हो जाता है ये. This is nothing but A plus 144 by A square. Clear? Got it? And not only this, now I can write this as A plus 12 by A whole square. Clear? 12 by A whole square लिख सकते हैं इसको. Now A should be what? Less than 12. 12 by 12 is 1. 12 by 13, 12 by 14, it will not be what? Natural number नहीं हो सकता ना. Clear? Factor of divisible less than 12 and divisible by 12. Divisible by 12 होना बोले तो क्या है options? उसका factors 1. हाँ, perfect. 1 you can check it, 2 you can check it, 3 you can check it, 6 you can check it, 4 you can check it, 12. These are the factors basically. Now 1 when I put, no, 1 plus 12 by 1 whole square, which is 1 plus 144. 145 is not a prime number. Next 1 plus 12 by 2 whole square. 2 on the 6. 6 square is what? 36 plus 1 37. No 2 लगाना है. 36 plus 2 38. ये भी नहीं होता. 3 लगाएंगे यहाँ. 3 plus 12 by 3 whole square. So 3 plus 19. ये आया. ठीक है. नेक्स्ट 6 2 square 4 10. ये नहीं याद. 4 भी था ना. 4 plus 12 by 4 whole square. 4 3 square 9. 9 plus 4 13. ये आया, ये आया. 12 चेक करना है. 12 plus 12 by 12 whole square 1. 1 square is 12 plus 1 13. आया. 3 values पर आ रहा है. Got it ma? Any doubts? नहीं समझ में आया तो बोलो फिर. Got it ma? Thank you. We'll continue with next session.